Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So open first the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here click to notifications and you could use the new notifications just from the online ones. You could just select one from the available notification sound and just to select this ringtone, tap to OK to download, but be sure that you're connected to the internet or to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi, because only by this way you could use the online notifications. But if you want to use the defaults, you could switch ringtones. Just tap to the profile, tap to the ringtones and to select one from the just default notifications, tap to apply, click to OK, applied successfully. Let's then go back and we could see that we just successfully changed our notification sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.